Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new Logitech G915 X keyboard just released by Logitech. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. The box itself is compact, colorful, and stylish. Definitely eye-catching. It gives off that premium feel right from the start. What I really appreciate though is the eco-friendly approach Logitech has taken. Instead of the usual plastic wrapping, everything inside is protected with a paper wrapping. Kudos to Logitech for making a step towards sustainability. Now, let's crack this open. First up, we've got the star of the show, the G915X keyboard itself. A sleek, low-profile design with that signature tactile feel you expect from Logitech. Along with the keyboard, you'll find a USB-C cable for charging and wired mode, the Lightspeed receiver for wireless gaming, and a USB-C adapter just in case. Of course, you'll also get some paper manuals and warranty information. No frills there, but useful if you need it, and it's worth mentioning, even the bottom layer of the packaging is made from cardboard. No plastic used at all. Well done, Logitech! That's everything inside the box. If you're curious about how the G915X performs, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in a review. I'm considering diving deeper into its features, so your feedback would be awesome. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.